Ebusuya semaba. Mena wo kasa dia challenge in Japan say the work is 7,000 now see one. Ombra no for mudin. Ene be omo edwan mbra beto nyansa de a insam wo na ma oka nyina ne say o work is 7,000 no enya no kre. Insam media e koso e wa TikTok live ene tebusuya ye hwe video ne mbra na wi a ye be de hu komo.
Kona na wo ba appoint you to various position. And now see a job, ma won nipa yini bi atam, oni di obi atam. Ye fa party ni show sa because say what be enuma. Apart from me pige enuma be enuma, what else again? And didn't be an honorable candidate Japan. Who can be you? Have you forgotten the pastors are waiting for you? 2028 election, if you represent a Sapa Pana, all they need is pen drive. As of for what you see almost due as of for Nathan, you think those pastors wouldn't advise their church members? I'm a typical example. Wingham, me patcho you. Wingham wrote to all churches in Ghana that you share your DM in a proverbial way. Now, Akuya or catch them in the letter. That dear Kochiame trust the last Sunday you Kotabano. Akuya, this was the announcement from our church secretaries. Say you share your DM. You what did you suffer for that time? Ya we are what catch and say, a large mood by women. Now, couple bet you in Naka. Akuya me dasi.
That's what promise 5 minutes. Yes. Abusu for me pacho ye dosu pa ne wa ha. Mommy and like it. Mommy and share. Mommy and repost it. Boy me na me nyi me target ni free hono. Me da munye na ase. Promise ye uncle. Promise so the who to also na make your points no without it. Promise fashion na wo wrap here pa mama. Massive promise me that say honorable ben 5 minutes pacho.
All right, Ebusuya. So, do you believe second in Japan there was 7,000 workers? Ujidi and Aunjindi. Ujidi, let me know in the comment section. So, Unjindi, so let me know in the comment section. Now, let's talk about this. So, in Japan always claims say will be a Juma because will be a Juma for nipa 7,000. 7,000 the Jumem, right? 7,000 or for more Jumem. Yeah, in the case that these 7,000 people, no, we are yet to find where they are. These 7,000 said people, no, we are yet to find where they are and where they operate from. We are yet to find them. The 7,000 workers, no, we are yet to find them and know where they operate from. It is very, very, very hard to believe because even MTN, our branches across the country, doesn't have workers up to 7,000. What you are saying? So it is very hard to believe that this guy has 7,000 workers. What do you think? Do you actually think that this guy actually has 7,000 workers? Or are you just saying it for people to believe because if he's not proving that he has 7,000 workers? He has not proven that he has 7,000 workers. He has not. What do you say? So how do you want me to believe that indeed he has 7,000 workers? How? Do you expect me to believe that that person has 7,000 workers? How do you expect the person who is watching me to believe that he has 7,000 workers? Barbara, when he pays the workers, no pay slip. Would you fake cry about any kind? What I say? Fake cry about so that we would go through and verify if it is true or not. But until then, we cannot say so what you're saying is true. Yes, it is not true. It is lies, and we are not going to believe it. How you gonna Sam TV? I catch you say the crown one at the mouth has say. Oh, in Japan, oh doctor, oh Brian, I had your bar. You bet you are doing. Send the AC drink to watch your comment section. Let's go.